My friends, keep me in your prayers because there's a reason I made a tooth cling film squishy today. Is because I've got to go for a root canal and I am very nervous. Did I have to get up super early this morning to create this for you guys? Because I promised you a week of cling film squishies and a week is what I'm going to do. Today is day 6 out of 7 of my cling film squishy week. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you could subscribe. And please do comment a little tooth or toothbrush emoji down in the comments so I know that you are listening right now. But with all that being said, let's get straight on into the tutorial. So with the cling film squishy, you're going to need some cling film, you're going to need some pillow stuffing, and you want to pop your pillow stuffing into the center piece of the cling film that you put down your desk, making sure that there are no wrinkles. Did I have quite a few wrinkles in this one? Yes, because I was rushing, but hey, it still worked out okay in the end. What you're going to need to do is create a rounded like shape on the top and then create one big indent in on the bottom to act as the roots for the tooth. And I'm just thinking about my tooth now that's going to have those roots filled this afternoon. Like, I'm sure it's going to be fine, but I'll update you in tomorrow's video and let you know how it goes. Anyway, what you want to do is paint your whole squishy in a white shade or any other shade. I think making it even like with a little bit of black on would be quite apt. Give it a little cavity, but we're going to give a gold filling today, as you would have seen in the thumbnail, so bear with me on that one. You want to add some contouring lines to the top of it to make it more like a 3D sort of shape, and then you want to paint on a face. I added 2 big eyes and a sad face because that's how I feel today. Not only because I've got to have the procedure done, but because it costs so much. I have a private dentist and it is heartbreaking, let me tell you. So like I said before, I added a gold filling on the top, 1 for extra pizzazz and 2 because gold fillings look pretty darn cool. And then I added a little tear because we just needed to accentuate the sadness of the little baby. One final step to protect the paint from squishing was just to coat it in another layer of the cling film and taping it up neatly at the back, and once that was done, the squishy was then complete. Okay, final layer of cling film all on there and we are ready to go. This one here obviously has the 2 layers of cling film over the pillow stuffing, which I'm excited to see how that one's going to turn out. Does it change anything? Maybe makes it slightly slower. Look at its poor sad face there. That's definitely how I feel about the dentist, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, look at that. That's turned out pretty nice if I do say so myself. Got a cute gold filling up there as well. It's so sweet, isn't it? Just this little face is just so sad. I kind of feel sorry for it, except I made it. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed watching today's cling film squishy come to life. Tomorrow is going to be the last day of the cling film squishy week, so stay tuned for that one. I am going to be creating a playlist as well of all of the cling film squishy like tutorials and designs that I've done, so that hopefully you can get all the inspo in one place. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this little cutie come to life. Hopefully you enjoyed it and I'll see you tomorrow for another one. Bye.